Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're going to tackle a really useful skill for any blogger user, how to add custom HTML code directly into your blog posts. You might want to do this to add special buttons, create custom tables, embed content from other websites, or just style things in a way that the standard editor doesn't allow. It might sound technical, but I promise it's super easy once you know where to look, and it can really make your blog stand out. So let's get right into it and learn how to take control of your post's design. First, you need to understand the two main views inside your blog or post editor. When you open a new post, you start in what's called the Compose view. This is the normal, friendly editor where you type your text, add images, and format things using the toolbar, just like in a word processor. It's the default and what most people use all the time. Now, to add your custom code, you need to switch to the HTML view. Look for an icon in the top left of the editor toolbar, usually a set of angle brackets, like this. Clicking this will toggle your view. When you switch to the HTML view, you'll see the same content but with all the underlying code that the browser reads. It might look a bit intimidating at first with all the tags, but don't worry. The key is to know exactly where to paste your new code. Here's a pro tip to make it simple. Go back to the Compose view and type a unique placeholder word, like paste_code_ here, exactly where you want your HTML element to appear. Now, switch back to the HTML view. Use your browser's find function, which is usually Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac, to search for that placeholder text, paste_code_ here. This will take you to the precise location in the code. Once you've found it, simply highlight and delete the placeholder text, and then paste your custom HTML code right in its place. For example, you could be pasting code for a styled by now button or maybe a special quote box. After you've pasted your code, you can switch back to the Compose view. You might see a blank space or a simplified version of your element, but don't panic if it doesn't look perfect there. The most important step is to always use the preview button. The preview button shows you exactly how the post will look on your actual blog. This lets you check if your code is working correctly and looks the way you want it to before you publish it for the world to see. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to add custom HTML to your blog or posts to make them more unique and functional. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps out. And for more simple tutorials like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks again, and happy blog.